Concept mapping your search is a quick and easy way for you to break down your search topic into easily searchable components. So the first thing you'll want to do is download the Search Concept Map template from the library website. And to do that, you'll just go to the library homepage, select Services for Students, Course Help, and it's embedded under our Super Searcher guide, so you can go ahead and download it here. So to start your search, what you'll want to do is identify 2 to 3 themes that come out of the topic that you're searching. So in this case, we really have 2 main themes that are popping out. The first is depression. So we're looking for studies that are related to clients that have depression. The second theme is we're looking for this text messaging support program. So again, that's the intervention that we're looking at to see if it's effective. So that's going to be our second theme. Now our third theme could be optional. We could just start a search with depression and text messaging, or we could add in a third theme here, and it could be a certain population. So do you want to look at this in a certain age group? Maybe you want to compare it to a second intervention. So our scenario talked about teletherapy, so that's your traditional intervention, and maybe you want to compare it. Or maybe you also want to look at methodology of the article. Maybe you're looking for a meta-analysis first, or you want to look for interview studies or survey studies because that's what you want to use. So there could be any number of ways to formulate that third theme. So the template, again, it gives you the option to have up to 3 themes. So in this case, our first theme is depression. So there might be different ways that people describe the term that we're using. And so that's where these keywords come in here, and they really are synonyms. What are synonyms for depression? There's also text messaging, which again, there could be any number of ways to say text messaging. So it could be SMS, it could be texting, it could, again, text messaging, and on. There could be many different synonyms for this. And again, depending if you want a third theme here, you would want to brainstorm different synonyms for those topics. So this goes back to one of our other Super Searcher concepts, which is combining these with and or, those connector terms. So again, and is connecting those big themes together. So we want theme 1, anything related to depression, and any articles that also talk about any form of text messaging, which could be text message, text messaging, texting, everything that we just talked about. So all those would be OR'd together because it could be any of them. And then for the sake of this, I just threw in intervention as another theme. So that's how we would do this. So now you've just built your search in using a concept map. Now in Find It at MSP, we can simply copy and paste each of those theme searches that we created into MSP using the advanced search. So here we have depression and text message or text messaging or SMS and intervention or teletherapy or telehealth search. So that's it. Once you've used the concept mapping to build your search, it matches really nicely with Find It at MSP, PubMed, any of the other databases that you may be using.